chair.
This is my chair.
Sit down in your chair. I sit down in your chair. I got tea. I got tea. I cut my sandwich.
Oh, you cut your sandwich?
Uh-uh.
Put it right back on there.
I cut my sandwich.
Okay. Want to play little checkers? Look at Daddy.
Yes, let's eat a soup first.
Okay.
I got tea.
What is this? Like bone? Huh?
I need fork. I need fork.
You need a fork?
Uh-huh.
I don't see a fork anywhere. Whoa, look at that one. Look at the spoon. It's correct. Awesomest spoon ever.
Back in sit down in your chair. Sit down in your chair. Soup is ready.
The soup's ready?
Yes.
What kind of soup is it?
It's just soup.
Right there.